Hey everyone, how you doing? So in this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can transform your old jean into jacket. Stay totally very hand to see how I did this. First of all, I'm just going to cut out the length of the top of the jacket, which is going to be 17, because I want the jacket to be a bit on a crop level so that I can use it to wear dresses, strapless dresses, or other kind of dresses that needs jacket. So now I'm cutting this part to be for the top. Now I'm just going to unseam the crunch area, and this is it. Next I'm going to cut the back part of it. You can unseam it if you have the time, but I don't want to waste time, as I'm just cutting it instead of just unseaming it. Then I'm going to do the other part of it, which is the front part. I'm gonna cut it straight out like that. They're not needed. Next I'm going to remove this zipper part. It's not needed, so just unseam it. This is it. Now I'm going to remove the belt strap. Yep. So next I'm going to, back crunches are always longer than the front, so I'm going to equalize it just like this so that both parts will be the same. So to work on the top part, I'm just going to fold into both sides, so just watch closely. Every measurement I'm going to be using here is going to be basic measurement that you can use for you. It's a one size measurement everybody can work with, doesn't matter your size. So for the neck area, I'm going to be cutting out 3.5 inch. So that's it. The shoulder, I'm going to be cutting 8, which is automatically 16 for shoulder. Some people shoulder are smaller, but this is a jacket, so I prefer this way. Then the depth of the armpits, I'm going to use 9, which is applicable to every other person. So that's what I'm doing now. Next I'll slant the shoulder because our shoulder is slant. Next I'm just going to cut out the neck area. The front part is going to be a bit deep than the back part, so I'm using 3 inch for the front part and then 2 inch for the back part. So that's just what I'm gonna do now. For the record, every figure I'm calling is in inches, so that you know that I'm working with inches. So next I'm just gonna cut out the neck, the armpits, and then the slant. So this is it. The front part first, and then the back part. So this is how it's gonna look like afterward. Next I'm just going to cut out one part, the front of one part, because it's a jacket, so the front is supposed to be opened. So this is it. Next I'm going to unseam the pockets, both sides, then bring the back side to the front, the back pocket to the front pocket, the front. So this is it. Now I'm going to sew down the other pocket. So now I'm turning inside out. So sew all the sides, shoulder, and then the sides. So this is how it's going to look like after sewing. Voila. Next I'm going to fold in the front part down to neck area to give it a neat finish. Now I'm going to measure the armpits, which is going to, this is what I'm doing here. All you need to do is just curve your arm inward and then slant to give it the perfect sleeve. So that's what I'm doing right now, cutting it in. So I'll use this one to measure the second arm sleeve. That's what I'm doing right now. So this is actually the down part of the jean that I'm using for the long sleeve of the jacket. So next I'm just going to measure and sew. So I sew it down from 10 inch so that it will match the armpits. The armhole and the armpit need to be equal, so make sure you do that. So that's what I'm going to fix in now. I've done this so many times on my previous videos, so I'm just going to put it inside out and then sew round. So this is it, it's ready. So simple. So the jacket is ready now, but I wasn't really satisfied with just it being like that, so I decided to decorate it with buttons to make it look more fancy. So that's what I'm doing right now. I use different kind of buttons. Now please give this video a thumbs up, share to your friends, and please, if you haven't yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button right now. Bye.